YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys an update about the status of possibly returning this. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, like the video. Also, comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section, and if you're here watching my videos, please support me, help me grow my channel by subscribing. Also, slide in those DMs on Instagram if you guys have any questions. But let's just get right into the video. So I reached back out to Freedom Couture because after they reached out to me, which was on August 4th, I'm going to read off to you guys what they said because I feel as though I misunderstood, but I'm not the only one at fault when it comes to the misunderstanding. I'm not upset. I'm going to read off to you guys, I know I'm rambling, I'm going to read off to you guys the email that they sent me on the 4th. They said, "Thank you for your time on Instagram today. We are more than happy for you." I think they meant to say your, but they say you return unit for an exchange or store credit. Now the way I read that was, you know, store credit if they don't have something that I want, or exchange it for something that they have. I wasn't aware, and I got clarification because I called them last night. You guys know that they are 12 hours ahead. I'm in the Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, sorry, took me a minute. Yeah, Eastern Standard Time. So I'm over here on the East Coast and they're 12 hours ahead of us. So I decided to call them last night, get clarification, and the lady on the phone assured me that I can get the same wig. If they don't have it, they will do it as a special order for me, and I will get it at the exact same price. So if you guys watched that video where I was like, I don't like the resolution that they gave me, they should have clarified it a little bit better, and maybe I should have picked up the phone and called them. So I'll take my blame on that, and I do think they need to own some of that when it came to the communication. But they're not going to charge me more if they have to remake the same wig if they don't have it in stock. So I really do appreciate them for that. They did also include their DHL, I guess, like their account number, so that they can be billed for shipping. So I appreciate that as well. And, you know, trying to resolve this for me. So I wanted to come on here because I never want to, as you guys have heard me say before, I never want someone to get the wrong impression about a company because of me. And just because I got one bad wig from them, like I've said before, I know I keep saying that, but just because I get one bad wig from them doesn't deter me from buying from them again, because I have 1, 2, 3, this is going to be my 4th unit. I'm sure I'm going to buy from them at some point in time in the future because, you know, why not? One bad wig or one wig that's shedding too much is not going to deter me. Like, you know, I've had these wigs for over 1.5 years at this point, and I don't have a bad experience with any of them. So I appreciate them stepping in, wanting to resolve this issue for me. Part of me, I know you guys are going to be like, what is wrong with this girl? Even though I'm afraid that it's going to shed, part of me wants to hang on to it, and I'm going to tell you guys why. Like, these are, you know, these are my real thoughts. One, maybe it was just the initial shedding, because if you guys have ever seen, like, I don't want to say like seen videos of people like combing out hair, but when you make a wig or you sew a weft, sometimes you'll get some initial shedding. Maybe that's what I'm getting, because the first set of shedding that I got was a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot. It was definitely alarming. And then after that, I only washed the front of it to get the glue and like the got to be glued free spray off, and it didn't shed as much. Now the reason I want to wear it one more time is I've only actually worn the wig one time. I'm gonna wear it one more time, see how it goes with the shedding. If the shedding is not bad or non-existent, because I ran my hands through it a few times before I started filming this, and I didn't run into any more shedding. So that just broke off. That's normal. Oh wait, I'm gonna wear it one more time. I just got a little piece of hair, 2 pieces of hair. One was broken off, which is normal, and one looks like it came out from the root. You guys are probably gonna think I'm crazy for considering keeping this wig, but I was a little scared, like I said, and I know I'm rambling. I was a little bit scared seeing people, hearing people's stories about their wigs balding, because I don't want that to be my life, and I don't want to miss this opportunity to be able to send it back. So gonna wear it one more time, monitor the shedding, and if it sheds a lot the next time I wear it, then I'm gonna send it back. And again, I appreciate them stepping in, owning the part of the process that is potentially broken, and trying to resolve the issue for me. I will keep you guys updated, probably come back and update one more video about the process before I actually update you guys on like the hair if I decide to get like another wig. But that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.